Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reverse a video in Snapchat. Now, I've seen many videos that will tell you to open Snapchat and then record a video. After that, they'll just tell you to swipe right until you find the reverse option, which I don't happen to find anywhere. Now, what should we do in this case? You have no other option than to use some other apps. So I'll be showing you which app to use and how to use that app, so stay with me. First of all, go to Play Store and install this app called CapCut. It is a video editor app and it's really beginner friendly. Now I'll show you how to use CapCut to reverse a video. First of all, open CapCut on your phone, then tap on New Project right here. Now all you have to do is select a video that you want to reverse. So I'll just choose this video and then press add. Now you'll have to press on the video layer and this white border will appear around it. Now on this menu at the bottom of the page, search for the option reverse. So scroll until you find that option. Here it is. Now tap on that option reverse and wait for it to be reversed. This will take some time if the video is quite long. If the video is short, it's just a matter of seconds. Let's wait for this process to be completed. As you can see, reversing a video in CapCut is a really easy process. This is the very reason I chose to use CapCut. You simply have to import a video, search for the reverse option and then apply it. We are almost done now. It's okay. As you can see, the video has been reversed. Now all you have to do is tap on that arrow on the top right corner of the screen right here and the video will be saved to your gallery. So let's do that. As you can see, the video is being exported to our gallery. You'll have to keep CapCut open on your phone for the video to get exported. You will have to wait for some time before the video gets exported to the gallery. After the video is saved to your gallery, you can post it anywhere. This is it for the tutorial. Hope it was helpful and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.